In this video, I'll guide you through how to create upsell campaigns in HubSpot. If you're looking to maximize your sales opportunities and increase revenue from existing customers, setting up an effective upsell campaign in HubSpot is a fantastic place to start. Whether you're new to HubSpot or a seasoned user, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and manageable. First, you'll want to navigate to Breeze, then head over to Breeze Studio. Once you're in, select the Cross-Sell Upsell agent. This is your go-to tool for crafting upsell strategies tailored to your client's needs. With this agent, you can leverage the power of personalized marketing, which is becoming increasingly important in today's competitive landscape. Now, let's talk about configuration. Here, you have the opportunity to enhance the agent's capabilities by adding knowledge vaults. Think of these as your product catalogs or service tiers. By integrating these elements, the agent can effectively distinguish between your standard and premium offerings. This distinction is crucial because it allows the agent to tailor its suggestions to fit the specific needs and preferences of each customer, thereby increasing the likelihood of a successful upsell. Once your configuration is set, it's time for the run. This is where the magic happens. Start by selecting a target company. The cross-sell upsell agent will dive deep into their deal history, meeting notes, and website activity. This analysis is invaluable as it offers insights into the customer's behavior and needs. Based on this rich data, the agent will not only suggest a specific upsell strategy, but also draft a personalized pitch for you. This means you'll have a tailored approach ready to go, saving you time and ensuring your message resonates with the customer. To wrap it up, creating upsell campaigns in HubSpot using Breeze Studio is all about leveraging the right tools and data to personalize your sales approach. By following these steps, you can develop campaigns that feel bespoke and targeted, which can significantly boost your chances of closing additional sales. As you become more familiar with these tools, you'll find new and creative ways to enhance your approach, ultimately driving more value for your business and your clients. So dive in and start creating those upsell campaigns today.